In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new tab in Google Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned web surfer or a new user just getting familiar with browsers, understanding how to effectively manage tabs in Chrome is key to streamlined browsing. Tabs help us manage multiple web pages at once, and knowing how to seamlessly open a new one will enhance your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, direct your attention to the top of your Chrome window, right next to your current open tabs. This area is your tab bar. It lines the upper part of your browser, displaying all your active web pages neatly in a row. Now, just beside your last open tab, you'll notice a small icon resembling a plus sign. It might seem subtle, but this little symbol is your gateway to opening a new tab quickly and efficiently. With that plus icon in sight, click it. Instantly, a brand new tab will appear, ready to be filled with any website of your choosing. This method is perfect if you enjoy the tactile experience of manually clicking through your browser. However, if you're someone who prefers a bit of right-click magic, I've got you covered as well. Just move your cursor to any open space on the tab bar, not directly on a current tab, and right-click. In the context menu that appears, simply select New Tab. This method is particularly handy if you find yourself avoiding the tiny plus sign, or just want an alternative way to get the task done. Now, for all the keyboard shortcut enthusiasts out there, there's a quicker method involving only your fingers. Press the Control key, often labeled Control, in the bottom left of your keyboard, and while holding it down, tap the letter T. Voila! You've just opened a new tab without having to lift your hand to the mouse. This shortcut is a favorite among power users and can save you precious seconds, especially when repeated throughout your browsing session. To recap, you have several efficient ways to open a new tab in Google Chrome. You can click the plus icon directly next to your open tabs for a straightforward approach, right-click on the tab bar for an alternative method, or embrace the speed of keyboard shortcuts by simply pressing Ctrl+T. Mastering these steps will ensure you have a smooth and productive browsing experience. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in navigating your browsing processes. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips to make the most out of your digital journeys. Happy browsing, and I'll see you in the next video.